Alright, here we are back again with one more Build It Now episode. Today we have a very special guest.
Thank you for having me. And I really like your pitch.
Thank you.
Myself, I'm a founder as well. I work for TikTok for the past few years, and I noticed that there is a sector for micro creators to be monetize themselves. And I think there is some with AI, everyone in the future should be able to become a better business owner and become a better creators and to share the story of their own brands or business. So the idea is to generate a group of content where serving as a creative director, brand manager, community manager for every small business.
So yeah, I think you've gone through the platform anyway. So yeah, I think I've already started with the prompt. So we did introduce this sub-agent system. So now you can see that both the engineers have started to write the code parallelly, and front end, back end, all of it is combined together. So now the goal for us is to check how the output of CreateOS landing page comes out to be versus clear and lovable as well, and then we'll see which one goes better. Because you've already connected MCP of CreateOS, it would be easier for you to just say the word deploy to CreateOS and it will take care of deploying everything, including front end, back end, all of it.
That sounds cool, because I've been coding one version by myself.
How's your code coming along? Still writing?
It's still writing, yeah.
Nice.
It takes a while, but maybe my prompt is a bit.
Yeah.
Have you finished the front end?
No, I mean, it's deploying the backend as well. Both of it. Now that you see the app live, how does it feel? What's your first impression?
My impression is that I think it has a unique value proposition in the market compared with other tools because it handles end-to-end product development cycle. I was a product manager for years, and nowadays, even though we have a lot of tools, but nothing is covered from front-end development to back-end integration. So I think definitely this is very valuable.
Awesome. Yeah, we'll look forward to getting this live to make sure that you're able to reach out to as many creators as possible. And you can definitely play around with CreateOS to actually build out multiple versions of this product as well and deploy agents as well if you want. So thanks once again for building it today with us. I think we loved it. You've got a very unique use case, and you come from the CreateOS background with your experience at TikTok. So I think it's going to do wonders. So looking forward to supporting you throughout. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thank you so much as well. Thank you for your time and sharing with the experience as a founder. And we're happy to support each other.